to solve one question. The question is very simple and it has came in multiple companies. The question is given a given an array, or I should write given a unsorted array, find its median. Okay, so let's say for example, if my array is 1 7 4 3 2 6, then what is the median? Let's take a simpler example first. Let's say we have 8 also. So the number of elements here is odd. So after sorting these elements, so 1 2 3 4 6 7 and 8, this will be our array after sorting. Okay, after sorting, so whichever is the median, that is n by 2th element is my median. Okay, but if the array is even, for example 1 7 4 3 2 and 6, so if the number of elements are even, then after sorting it will become 1 2 3 4 6 7, then the average or the mean of two elements is median, that is 3 plus 4 by 2. If you take it in integer, the 3 will come, in float it will be 3.5. this is our median. Okay, now we have to find this median of given unsorted array. Okay, so the one approach is already in front of you. What you can do is you can sort the numbers first, and then if the number of elements are even, then sum the two middle elements and then find the average of it. If the numbers are odd, then the n by 2th element is the median. But then sorting will take at least n log n time. At least n log n time sorting will take. But then let's say the interviewer is asking for the better approach, for the efficient approach. Then what we can do is we can apply the quick select algorithm. So quick select algorithm is nothing new, but it is as good as quick sort algorithm only. But then in that algorithm we will make few changes. What we are doing is every time when we are finding the pivot, okay, pivot index. So if pivot index is equal to the size of array by 2, if our pivot index is equal to size of array by 2, then obviously my middle element is at pivot index. If my pivot index is greater than size of array by 2, and this size of array by 2 is constant, this is constant. Why it is constant? Because we are not finding the size of array of the sub arrays in the division part, but then we are finding the size of array of the original array, which is not going to change anytime. So if pivot index is greater than size of array by 2, then where we are going to find our median? See this, let's say this is my array 1 7 4 3 2 6, or let's say 8 also. Obviously after sorting we have seen that 4 is my pivot element. Then you have chosen 8 as the pivot. Let's say you have chosen 8 as the pivot, then pivot index will come here 0 1 2 3 4 5 6. Now 6 is greater than the 7 by 2. Okay, then obviously we have to go on to the left hand side. Then we will call the partition on the left side, only left side. Then we don't have to call on the right hand side. And similarly pivot index is less than size of array by 2. Okay, for example, you have not chosen the last element as the pivot but the first element as the pivot, then it will remain here only and pivot index will come 0. But then size of array is 7 by 2, which is still, this is true. Then my median will be on the right hand side, so partition will be called on right hand side only. We are not calling on the left hand side, so we are calling this partition and partition. If this condition is true, then this will run, else this will run. This is how we can find the median of the element in big O of log n time, in the best case, because there will be only and only log n partitions. Or in the worst case, we have to choose every element, then it will be equivalent to n square, because n times n elements and n partitions, that is n elements and n partition, so their multiplication will bring you to n square. So in worst case, it may be it may work as worst than the sorting algorithm also. Okay, but then it is only one case, although otherwise it is working very much fine. So I would suggest you to write the program of this whatever question, whatever I have explained you in the quick sort, we are using this functions only, nothing more. But there will be few conditions where we are calling this will be called on, see, we are calling this as left hand part and this as right hand part. So before calling this and this, we have to write if condition and else condition here, and this will be little modified, not very much but little modified. So I suggest you to write a program for this finding median using quick select algorithm. Okay.